come to Learn and Fun with them all. Today we're going to make a very cute drawing. We'll draw a branch with a beautiful blue bird sitting on it. First, we'll draw a branch. Now, the next step is to draw a cute little bird sitting on this branch. This is just the first step. We're going to have lots of fun. Did you know birds have such colorful and beautiful feathers? Today, we had fun drawing and learned how to make our bird step by step. The more you practice, the better your drawings will become. Your bird can be unique, and it's always fun to color it however you like. Don't forget to show me your drawings. Our bird will be special because we're going to color it blue. Look, we're coloring the bird's feathers and head in blue. Do you like the color blue? It looks just like real birds such as the blue jay or kingfisher. The blue color is looking so nice. And there you go, our drawing is complete, a beautiful blue bird sitting peacefully on the branch. Look at how lovely the drawing turned out. You all did such a great job. So, kids, see you next time with another fun idea.